see here. Oh, there's some tools. Just loads and loads of freaking mouse and rat crap. Welcome back. It's cleaning day for the Apache. Let's go. Just a quick little rundown of what we got. Just fully cleaning out this truck, getting the old seat bench out of there, and whatever things we got to do to get it down to at least the bare metal so we can clean it all out, make sure it's ready to go, get things rolling on getting an engine in here and all that. So stay tuned. Also, underneath that there is what we're pulling the engine out of to drop in this here. So we got an engine, you guys. Take a guess. What do you think's under there? What are we gonna put in this thing? Stay tuned, man. I'll show you guys just how bad this thing was infested. All right, just getting things cleaned up, and look at who got cleaned up over here.
Candy!
Oh, you got candy? Dang.
Where are you going
girl.
today? Are you gonna go to Disney on Ice?
Candy! Yeah? The baby. All right. So we started on the bed, got it all pulled out over here. Look at that. That's the kind of bed we got in here. It's that, not the wood beds. That's type of metal. Got it drilled in there. So here's all the stuff I told you guys was sitting in that bed. We had this extra fender in here. Got an oil pan or transmission pan. Some of this stuff, don't even know what it is or what it's for, why it was with the truck. I mean, I guess they got some rails to go on the bed of the truck. If you remember the old beat up hubcaps, they're still here. Not sure what to do with them yet. Might make them into some wall art or something. Even have this hubcap, which I know is not the right size because it's way bigger than the other ones, but I don't know what it went to. Yeah, a lot of parts, rusted metal, like I said, was sitting there. There's the drive shaft that I was telling you about. Look at this thing. You can just push right through there. Look at that. It's so rusted. But yeah, man, this right here I heard was worth some money. Looks like a piece to the transmission. This spins here, so does that piece. If any of you guys know what that is exactly, a guy told me what the name of it is, the exact number and all that of the part that is, but he said it's worth a lot of money. Not that much, but he said people give you money for it because it's original, I guess. But yeah, we'll have to go through all that and see if there's any salvageable stuff in there. So, got the bed cleaned out. First things first. Okay, guys, you ready for this? Look at all that. Woo. This is all that black there. It's all rat and mouse and field mouse, whatever droppings. Look at that. You know what those big droppings are? Maybe it's something bigger. I was living in here. Tearing up the cushion here. Ooh. Yep. get this thing cleaned up. Let's check out the other side. Well, you can see they were tearing up underneath there. All that insides of the bench seat. There's just crap everywhere in here. Alright guys, we definitely got a project. See if we can't get this bench seat out and get this whole thing cleaned out. Day one. First bolt. First mistake. Didn't spray any WD-40 on it. Not thinking. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, so while we let the WD-40 settle, sink in, pull on all this trash off of this side of this carpet over here. They got it like bolted down to this here. Oh! Get the little shop vac. I just wanted to clean it up a little more. There's so much stuff underneath here. It's just nasty. Let's get these all out.
Alright, that's what she looks like.
Woo! There's a nest right there. Look at that. Alright guys, this is pretty bad. But hey, what do you expect? You get something out of the thing that's been sitting on the field. Look at that nest right there, man. Ugh. That's bad. Pulled this whole thing halfway out. It's not even connected over here. This thing's shot, gonna have to go. Gonna have to get new steps and rockers. Hey look, a sock. Oh my gosh. What is this? I have no idea. Alright guys. In fear of hantavirus, I'm probably gonna have to get rid of all this stuff. I don't want to go through it. See if there's any little things I need, but you can see here. Oh, there's some tools. Just loads and loads of freaking mouse and rat crap. Droppings all up in here. Alright, time to get the vacuum out. Pressure wash this thing. See what that metal looks like underneath there. How much patchwork we're gonna have to do. Alright, I was looking over here. There's actually some stuff in this corner. Carb kit. No carb. Oh, look at that. Hey. Coca-Cola bottle. Is this, I wonder how old this is. What year this style is from. Coke bottle right there, y'all. There was a Pepsi can on the other side in the cab corner. There's something else down there. Can't see what else we got. Kind of tight thing. It must have fallen down that hole. Over there, let's see. You can see it right there. Whatever it is, it's covered in crap, man. Oh, that just looks bad. It's a rag. Look at that. Ooh. The heck is that? Anyone know if that's important for the truck? Oh man. Gotta go through this. See what all can be saved of this metal. Let's get this gas tank out. Oh, that hole's open up right there. There's daylight. Alright, y'all. Alright, now they got this out, I'm gonna check this cab corner, see if I can find that gas, that Pepsi can that was down here at the bottom. So I can reach it. There we go. Look at that. Sucker wasn't even open. Mice must have been living off of this. But look at that, tab still intact. Wonder what year this is from. Who made these style of cans? Maybe it says it on there, but yep. There's a Pepsi. Oh, and Coke. You guys decide which is better. Alright guys, ultimately these were the things I thought were pretty cool that we found. Don't know where Harley Brown rubberized whatever gloves are sold, but that's an old glove. We got our Pepsi and Coke products. This penny, 1972, so not too old, but I found out, I read this thing, it's a scraper. What does it say right there? Auto ice scraper. So you just hold on to it like this. Sorry, hold on to it like this. Scrape the ice off your window. Some matches. They don't look like they're that old, but hey, you never know. And the old air freshener hanging underneath there still. So found some of those little trinkets. Take you back. I think these are the coolest ones. I don't know if you guys got any cool ideas on how to implement those back into the truck. Let's see. So now this is what it looks like after the vacuuming. Clean it all out. Now I don't know if this is taboo or not because it's metal, but I'm gonna hit it with a pressure washer. At least the floors, maybe some of the side. Try to keep the electrical untouched, but it'll dry out eventually anyways if I do get some in here. I know I don't want to rust anymore, but I'm going to come in with some rust killer tomorrow after I let the water kind of dry out. Try to wipe it down with some rags too to get up most of the water. But I just want to clean this thing out, man. Deep clean it. Maybe even spray some kind of virus or bacteria killing spray on here, man, for all the animals that were living in here. So here we go. Alright guys, so this pressure washing soap right here attaches in so you can clean it all up. So I'm going to hit it here with some soap, just lightly, see what happens. It's probably the first bath this thing has had in 40 years. Soap bath, that is. Well, it's all just clean up from here, but we'll get it all together, get it all cleaned up. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, join in on the fun. Y'all have a good one.